Hi guys, happy new year. I hope you've had amazing holidays, and yeah, I am quite excited. I've had like a really good holiday. I feel like it came around so quickly though, but it was still great. Like I had like a lovely time. I went to spend time in Melbourne and everything. Anyway, I'm not gonna run too much. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jasmine. I'm a practicing social worker and I share my experiences here on the channel, both social work and non-social work related. Go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, if you don't know how to subscribe, there's a red button just down the bottom there that you can click on, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So there is a thumbs up button underneath this video as well. Let's get right into it. So in light of the new year, I just thought it would make sense to put together a vision board. I do have a couple of goals that I'm wanting to achieve this year. I've never done a vision board before, but I've heard really good things about it, and it just makes sense to have a picture of the goals that I want to achieve this year somewhere in my room, so every time I'm reminded to keep going back to it. I think for me the most important things about my vision board will be to make sure I have a plan around how I'm going to achieve those goals by the end of the year. So it's not a matter of just sticking it on there and leaving it. It's about having a plan on how I'm going to achieve those goals and sticking with that plan as well. It makes sense that it will work in helping me achieve my goals, because if I can see it there, then I'm like, oh, that reminds me I need to go and do this that I said I will do. I need to go and do that, and you know, that kind of thing. So I hope this video inspires you to put together a vision board, and hopefully you learn a thing or two from it. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a list of the goals I want to achieve this year, and this was the first step for me in creating my vision board. The next thing was to go ahead and find images that aligned with the goals that I had listed. So at this point I have my images printed. The next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut them out. So at this point I just go ahead and place my pictures on the board, just to give me a bit of an idea around where I want to put my stuff before I start gluing. So once I know where I want to place things, I start with the gluing process. This was actually fun and really enjoyable, and it was just nice to see the things I actually want to achieve this year just right in front of me, you know. It's quite inspiring, and I actually really enjoyed the process, and I'm generally not a crafty person, so yeah. Alright guys, so this is the vision board I put together. As you would have seen earlier on. So the first one that I'm going to show you is that one over there. So like becoming fitter and being able to do the splits has been a massive thing for me for ages, but I feel like because I haven't had a specific plan around it, I feel like there's more I can do. Another thing I found is a picture of a black girl who's meditating. She's got a fro going on and everything, so it's basically me, you know. I do want to be more consistent with my meditation. I have been doing it, but like it's kind of on and off and quite sporadic and hasn't been like, you know, on point. But this year it is going to be on point, like, because it's up there. Up here I've just got like little kids jumping. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So I do want to have more energy. Like I feel like by the time I'm done with work, usually I'm just like blah, I don't want to do anything kind of thing. But I want to be a little more energetic this year. I've got a thing here that says plan. So I do want to plan a bit better this year as well. Generally I'm quite blasé about everything. I'm like, oh, it's just gonna work out how it's supposed to, kind of thing. And I think it's good to have that attitude, but at the same time I think planning definitely helps to achieve specific goals. So that's another thing that I've included. I've got a Ghana flag here. For those of you that don't know, I'm a Ghana girl. I do want to go home at the end of the year for a period of time, so I've got that there as well to remind me. And in the middle here, that's my skincare logo. So I make natural skincare and hair care, and I sell it. So I've put that there because I do have a goal of starting to sell more in that. I do want to get to a point where I can make enough where I don't have to continue to do my daytime job if I don't want to. So that's another goal there. So I do have a breakdown of that as well. And I've got money there. Oh, it's a bit hard to see. There. I've got money there, and it's 60,000 Australian dollars. Specifically, that's how much I want to make this year. That's how much I want to save this year. So I have specific plans around how I'm going to do that as well. And I've got 10,000 YouTube subscribers. At the moment I'm at like 4,000 and something. I feel like I could get there if you guys help me, so please subscribe if you haven't already. I've been on YouTube for a while. It's something I really enjoy doing, so I want to keep growing there. And the other thing I've got is, so relationships. I've got like a romantic relationship up here, and then I've got like a friendship thing up here as well. I definitely want to get better with my relationships in general. Like, I want to be able to see the ones that are really valuable and really nurture them, and the ones that are not so great, I need to just strengthen my boundaries around that as well. So that's pretty much my vision board for 2018. It's colorful, it's bright. I'm just gonna hang it up in my room, just right by the door, so I just keep reminding myself of what I need to be doing. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this video has inspired you to put together your own vision board. I'd love for you to name one resolution that you have this year just down the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy New Year again, and I shall see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.